a.m. a.m. I am in the meeting at 8:16 a.m. I am in the meeting at 8:16 a.m. Able. Able. We are able to deal with all sorts of problem. We are able to deal with all sorts of problem. About. About. Tell me all about it. Tell me all about it. Above. Above. The glider was soaring above the valley. The glider was soaring above the valley. Abroad. Abroad. He is traveling abroad. He is traveling abroad. Across. Across. Can you swim across the river? Can you swim across the river? Actress. Actress. The actress received numerous floral tributes. The actress received numerous floral tributes. Afraid. Afraid. He is afraid of the mouse. He is afraid of the mouse. After. After. They met in June and became lovers soon after. They met in June and became lovers soon after. Afternoon. Afternoon. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Again. Again. Do you want to try again? Do you want to try again? Age. Age. What is your age? What is your age? Ago. Ago. The dinosaurs disappeared long ago. The dinosaurs disappeared long ago. Agree. Agree. We agree to cooperate at the moment. We agree to cooperate at the moment. Ahead. Ahead. He soon got ahead of his classmates. He soon got ahead of his classmates. Air. Air. The fresh air in the morning made her feel glad. The fresh air in the morning made her feel glad. Airplane. Airplane. I will visit Japan by airplane. I will visit Japan by airplane. Airport. Airport. The plane circled the airport before landing. The plane circled the airport before landing. All. All. All my plants have died. All my plants have died. Almost. Almost. She slipped and almost fell. She slipped and almost fell. Along. Along. I walked along the riverbank. I walked along the riverbank. Already. Already. I've already paid my membership dues. I've already paid my membership dues. Also. Also. I should also take account of difficulties. I should also take account of difficulties. Always. Always. I'm always at home in the evenings. I'm always at home in the evenings. America. America. Are you going to America by boat or by plane? Are you going to America by boat or by plane? American. American. His accent proclaimed that he was an American. His accent proclaimed that he was an American. Angry. Angry. His imperious look makes us angry. His imperious look makes us angry. Animal. Animal. The jackal is a wild animal in Africa. The jackal is a wild animal in Africa. Another. Another. It is just as well that you took another road. It is just as well that you took another road. Answer. Answer. The question is simple enough to answer. The question is simple enough to answer. Ant. Ant. The ant is a tiny animal. The ant is a tiny animal. Any. Any. You can give me any one of them. You can give me any one of them. Anyone. Anyone. I dislike to have anyone patronize me. I dislike to have anyone patronize me. Anything. Anything. Do you have anything to do? Do you have anything to do? Apartment. Apartment. I have an apartment in Taipei. I have an apartment in Taipei. Appear. Appear. A ship appeared on the horizon. A ship appeared on the horizon. April. April. April is the time to plant trees and flowers. April is the time to plant trees and flowers. Arm. Arm. You should wind a cloth round the wounded arm. You should wind a cloth round the wounded arm. Around. Around. He runs around the playground. He runs around the playground. Arrive. Arrive. I shall arrive the office soon after. I shall arrive the office soon after. Art. Art. She displayed great ardor for art. She displayed great ardor for art. As. As. The ground was as white as snow. The ground was as white as snow. Ask. Ask. May I ask a question? May I ask a question? At. At. I'm sorry to obtrude on you at such a time. I'm sorry to obtrude on you at such a time. August. August. The weather in August is so hot. The weather in August is so hot. Aunt. Aunt. She has no relations besides an aged aunt. She has no relations besides an aged aunt. Autumn. Autumn. The autumn or winter terms start in September. The autumn or winter terms start in September. Away. Away. He lives 3 miles away from my house. He lives 3 miles away from my house.
非常谢谢您对 Great Kids Learning Channel 的热爱，希望你能够订阅我们的频道，按下 subscribe 键，或者按下订阅频道键。订阅频道后，同时旁边也有一个小铃铛，希望你也能够按那个小铃铛，我们的 channel 的资讯就会自动的传递给您。同时也希望你能够对于我们的影片按一下喜欢或者按赞，也谢谢你的观赏。